Hello everyone, welcome back. And first of all, thank you so much for your likes, comments, and thank you so much for a new subscriber to join our family. So today we're gonna make a vegetable pulao. In my version, it contains so much flavor in itself that you don't require any side dishes. So let's get started. So for this, we need vegetables which are like sliced onions, we need sliced tomatoes, we need chopped chili, we need spinach sliced thinly, then we need beans sliced, then we need cauliflower small florets, and then ginger and garlic chopped. Apart from this, you can add more vegetables. We need rice which is soaked for almost like 45 minutes. We need soaked soya bean, we need yogurt, and then we need a half cup of milk with 2 teaspoons of melted butter in it. So now we take a pressure cooker, we put refined oil in it. I personally use soybean oil, which is pretty good. So you're going to put the cumin seeds, you're going to put the caraway seeds, which is also called ajwain. So when it crackles, put chopped ginger, chopped garlic into it. So and then just saute a little bit until it turns golden brown. So once it turns golden brown, add sliced onions to it. So now you see it's golden brown. Now we're going to add sliced onions to it. So the onions should be not very thick, not very thin. It should be medium because we don't want them to cook fully. We want them just sweet, like you can see right now. Then we add chopped chilies. So when the onions are soft, you add some chopped chilies to it. Saute a bit. Now as I said before, now we're going to add 1 teaspoon of salt. We're going to add half teaspoon of turmeric. We're going to add a half teaspoon of sabji masala. Then we're going to add coriander powder, 2 teaspoon. Now you mix all the masalas. Personally, I don't. Now you see it's already cooked. Now we're going to add some sliced tomatoes to it. Saute them. Put cauliflower into it. Put sliced beans, and then saute again till nicely mixed up. It should be nicely mixed. Now we're gonna add some chaat masala to it. I'm gonna add 1 teaspoon. I don't want to put that before because it's get burned, so you need to add once the vegetables are a little bit cooked. And then you're gonna add the sliced spinach to it. You can also add mustard leaves to it if you want, and other vegetables like carrot, peas, but I personally feel even the bell peppers you can add to it, which adds more flavor to it. After that, we're gonna put the soaked soya beans. As you saw, like I didn't put any red chili powder because I put the green chilies, because fresh green chili give you more flavor than the red chili powder. So once everything is mixed, now we're gonna take a bowl, add 2 big spoons of yogurt to it, which is almost 50 grams. Now you add that milk, half milk, melted butter into it, and mix it nicely. So why are we adding this to it? Because it's gonna add moisture to our and flavor to the rice. So you're gonna add, now the rice is soaked for almost like minimum you have to soak it for 45 minutes to get perfect result of rice. Now you see on very light hand you move it, you spread it evenly, then you add the milk into it. Put more water so that the water covers the top of the rice. It should be on the level of the rice. If your rice is soaked for almost 45 minutes, then you need the water level should be exactly to the top of the rice, like you can see now. You mix it nicely, cover with a lid, and then give it 1 whistle, and it's ready to serve. So you can see as it's ready, the grain of the rice is so long, it's looking so pretty. It's supposed to be like this. So guys, please like, share, and do subscribe. Thank you so much.